What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today I got something fun and cool, cheap, and you may could use it if you have books, but I don't know how many people have books these days, but I still have some books. So right here we have this cool little book stand that people are running from the books. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, this was fairly cheap. I think it was like 10 bucks or so. Again, as you can tell, smiley face, Amazon. Sometimes you'll have a smiley face and sometimes you might not have a smiley face. Why didn't I just use my razor blade? All right. So this is a pretty big size. Now this is pretty cool. They even have the cutout, so I guess they cut it out and then bend it up. As you see, they cut it and then they folded it up. I don't know why they have a hole right here. Maybe it's for, I don't know. They don't say why there's a hole right here, but there's a hole right there. So there is no instructions to this. I guess they figure that you should know what you're doing already. So let's go ahead and test this out and see what it looks like. Okay, you guys, so this is pretty cool. All right, now the only thing is, if you have a lot of books, if you want one of these books that's before this book, is fine. But this book, you will have to take out because the plate that's in the angle is in between the last page and the other pages. Or you could put it wherever you want inside your book, however you want to do it. But yeah, so the plate that's in the angle is on this book. So if you need this book, you will have to lift these back and get this book out. Other than that, you should keep your less used book right at the end. And then whatever you use the most, you keep before then. But that's it. That's the review of this book holder. And I do recommend it. It's pretty cool. Something different to have. So yeah, if you like this little open box review, little cool, you know, cheap things, decors and stuff around the house, leave a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new cool products like this on the way, and some more content coming for the bigger products. So stay tuned.